Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Osmo DashCam Pro, a device that's being marketed as Australia's top-rated dashcam. According to the website, it comes with 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording, enhanced night vision, 24-hour parking monitoring, Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, and easy installation with wide-angle coverage. On paper, it sounds like the perfect companion for keeping your car safe and capturing every detail on the road. Before we get into the details, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, looking closer at the Osmo DashCam Pro, there are several things that stand out as potential concerns. First, some of the performance claims seem highly exaggerated. The website suggests you can capture license plates from a distance in any lighting condition, which is very unlikely for a compact dashcam. Similarly, the claims about 24/7 recording and enhanced night vision sound impressive, but continuous recording requires high-capacity storage, reliable power, and good thermal management, details that aren't clearly explained. Running a small dashcam non-stop can lead to overheating or quickly filling up the storage. Another red flag is the reviews on the website. They claim a 4.7-star rating, supposedly based on Trustpilot, but when you check, there are only 2 reviews, and both are negative. Customers have reported issues like never receiving their orders, difficulty getting refunds, and misleading product claims. One reviewer shared their experience with a different product from the same company and noted that even though the item didn't work as expected, customer service eventually provided a refund, but the whole process was frustrating. Others have reported products simply never shipping despite payment. The website also makes some misleading statements about insurance. They hint that Australian insurance providers officially recognize the dashcam, but in reality, most insurers don't certify specific dashcams. They only accept footage that meets their internal requirements. Pricing and marketing are other areas to be cautious about. The website uses urgency tactics like limited-time discounts and flashing timers, which are classic ways to pressure buyers. When comparing prices, the same device is available on Alibaba for as low as $27 to $319, suggesting the site is marking it up significantly. This, along with the flashy marketing and exaggerated premium image, could indicate a drop-shipping model rather than a reliable local retailer. Finally, there's the issue of transparency. There's little clear information about warranty, return policy, or technical specs. For a device that's supposed to protect your car and record critical footage, knowing exactly what you're buying and how it's supported is really important. So while the Osmo DashCam Pro might look impressive at first glance, there are quite a few red flags that make it hard to fully trust the product or the website selling it. If you're thinking about getting a dashcam, it's worth doing your research, checking independent reviews, and comparing options to make sure you're getting something reliable and supported.